Are you posting on Instagram to market your network marketing business and there is nothing going on there? No, you're not getting any sales, you're not attracting new team members, it's just crickets. And you're doing all the things that people are saying to do. Maybe you're doing all those stupid little dancing reels and you're posting to your stories a billion times a day, and yet you're still not getting the customers or team members from Instagram. Well, I'm Vanessa M. Miller, and I help network marketing mamas create a captivating personal brand strategy so they're attracting more clients and team members with ease and without going through their whole friends list, sending cold DMs to people and seeing who wants to buy. No, they create a personal brand strategy to be able to have fun in their business and to be able to grow their business with ease and just less of the, sales tactics that are repellent or confusing their ideal client. And so today we're going to do a quick Instagram bio makeover. And so if you are a network marketer, please tell me what network marketing company that you are running, and then tell me where you're tuning in from. If you want me to check out your Instagram bio, then go ahead and drop the link as well. And then later on in this training, you're gonna have the opportunity to work with me in a group setting for free, where we're gonna go and look at your bio and we're gonna change it up and make some tweaks. So that way you're converting new customers and recruiting new team members. So let's get started. What should your Instagram bio look like? Before you even go to there, remember, just think of it, put yourself in your viewer's shoes, or just any kind of Instagrammer. Put yourself in their shoes. Whenever you're on Instagram, what do? You're scrolling the feed, right? You may give someone a double tap if you're feeling good or that's really funny, if they're really educating you, then you might give them a double tap. And if you really like them, then you might end up commenting. And then if you love them, you're probably going to be sharing their content, right? But how often do you go to their bio? Instagram makes it a lot easier that if you're following hashtags, or mainly if you're following hashtags, you can easily click follow on the feed to follow that person, but rarely do you go to their bio and read more about them. They have to be very, interesting and get you all excited or evoke some kind of emotion and trigger curiosity for you to go to their bio, correct? Okay, so how do you get them to, once they're on your bio, once they've been like, okay, you got them there, you're like, I've got the person in my room, so now what? First, you need to make sure that you're properly using the entire Instagram real estate that's on your profile. First thing would be, let's start with your profile picture. You got the people in there, now you need to show your beautiful face, show a smile. So many people want to show their full body, but when you're looking at that little tiny circle, it's really hard to connect with someone if you don't see their eyes, if you don't see them smile. So make sure that your Instagram bio profile picture has your lovely face. They can see it. No sunglasses, nothing hiding your face, just your clear face. And if you go to Canva, and you upload your picture on Canva, you can even remove the background. So let's say I take a picture right here, snap picture, I upload it to Canva, I remove my desk area, and I can change the color of it, and bam, that could be my Instagram profile picture, okay? It doesn't take away from my face. Maybe I add my brand colors to make myself memorable, and there you have it. Okay, so now let's move down to your name. Make sure, there's a username, which is your handle. Make sure that name is your name. You want to brand yourself. You don't want to brand, your network marketing company and be Fit Mama 25, at Fit Mama 25, because how do you connect with that? If you see, my name is Vanessa M. Miller. Oh, I remember that name, Vanessa M. Miller. Oh, I remember Janie Garcia, So remember to always use your name because you want to brand your name. You want to brand yourself. That's part of the personal brand strategy. But also, what happens if your network marketing company is no longer there for you? Maybe it goes under, or maybe you no longer see that a future with them. You want to make sure that you're branding your name, and that helps you expand your streams of income. You can branch off on the different ways that you earn money and still be able to promote your network marketing company because you're using your name. So that is the username. Now, your actual name that is going to be on the top of your profile, you want to use that as your title, maybe what you're an expert in. Mine says network marketing learning. So sometimes I'll put network marketing strategist. But when people search for, maybe they need help with network marketing, they want network marketing training. Well, I'm the first person that comes up because that is the title. So think about, what are you an expert in that that people aren't going to go look up doTERRA oils. Most likely they're not going to. They might look up wellness coach, and then in a certain area. So maybe wellness coach for anxiety. So make sure that that title that you're using, your name on there, is something that is what people are going to be searching for, and that sets you apart, that makes you the expert in your network marketing company. Next, you're going to put a brief bio. So many times people are putting things like, I'm a wife, dog lover, and I'm saying this because I've done this too, but I've learned. I'm a wife, dog lover, blah, 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 blah. If you are using this strictly for business, your Instagram bio or your Instagram profile for strictly business, I would not put that. You want people to get to know you in your stories. Like I said, once you got them to go to your profile and then check you out, you want to show them what you can do for them. A quick formula for that is, I help, put your niche in there. Maybe, moms struggling to lose weight with what they want to accomplish. So whether they want to lose 10 pounds in 12 weeks or whatever it is, something that they want to achieve or they want to avoid. And then you put maybe without the sleeves, without the sweat or the stress or whatever, without something, or you can put in X amount of time frame. So again, is I help the niche, whoever that is, accomplish, achieve, or avoid X in either time frame or without something. Okay, and then from there, so I'm going to your profile and I can see, hey, let's see, Maria helps moms like me that just recently had babies. It says, I help postpartum mamas lose the extra fat in 12 weeks without reducing carbs or something. I'm like, oh my gosh, I love carbs. I definitely love my pizza. I need to talk to her because she can help me lose the last of my baby weight in 12 weeks and I can still keep my carbs. So then after that, you have your link. How do they come to you? Because another mistake that network marketers make is that they put the link straight to their company, the product page. So, you'll have a list of your shopping page. You'll have a list of all the products that you offer. But where do I start? Like, if I'm going to go to, beachbody.com or doTERRAessentialsoils.com/your name, where do I even start? Make it easy for me. I like to do a link tree where I can have multiple links on there. But if you're just starting off, I suggest maybe if your niche is like a woman trying to lose weight who just had baby, maybe offer a free download. And that free download is going to have tips on maybe exercise, nutrition, and then you plug in some oils that help her lose the weight. I think one of them is like Slim and Sassy or something like that. right? So you can put that in, okay, this would be your routine, mama. Wake up, have water, enjoy, more greens in your diet, and then end the day with, self-care ritual by using the Slim and Sassy in the certain areas that you want to tighten up. Okay, so that's going to be the download that you have to offer. You're plugging in your products that way, but you're adding value. You're giving her guidance. You're building that trust. And now she's like, wow, I like Maria. Maria gave me some quick wins on, she gave me some guidance, some clarity on what I really need to do to lose the last of my baby weight. And she recommended this product, but let me test it out because I'm trusting Maria. I did the water for 3 days and I can already see that I'm losing weight and I'm adding more greens. I trust her. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to buy the Slim and Sassy. Maybe I should find out what else she has. So either they're going to go more in detail and look at your website, or they're going to reach out to you. Hey, thank you for that freebie. It really helped me. By the way, you can use that and you ask permission. Can I, use this in my social proof? Can I use your screenshot of you liking my freebie in my Instagram post? So she's going to say that she likes it. What other products can you recommend for me? These are my issues. And then there you have it. You start connecting. You start making, you building a relationship with this person, getting to know them instead of spamming them. Okay, so that is your link. I know that it was a longer explanation for the link, but I wanted to express and stress the importance of having something on your link that makes it easy for people to connect with you, learn from you, to get to know and like and trust you, and not be so confusing of where do I start, because you need to make things easy for people. People are, they have so much already going on in their lives, and you want to make it easy, and then they're going to remember how easy it was to work with you. Now, the next thing on your Instagram is your highlights. Don't underestimate the value of those highlights. People will go through those highlights and binge watch your stories or binge watch whatever it is that you have on there. And that's another way to create trust there. So think about some of the things that you can put in your highlights. It can be about your network marketing business opportunity in a way that adds value, it intrigues curiosity, and maybe evokes emotion. Maybe you have a story in there about how one of your team members was not able to put food on the table during COVID, and the start of COVID, she lost her job or whatever. Something that evokes emotion without exposing someone too much, where they might be like, please don't tell my whole story. And then maybe you have another highlight that has essential oils for anxiety, for healing, or makeup tips for on the go, or whatever it is that your brand is, your network marketing products are. Have different segments. And then also have one about how to work with you. People, once they're looking at your profile, they're going to know, like, maybe I want to work with this person. How can they help me? And then you can separate those for the products or the business opportunity. And now, okay, so now you have your feed. You have Reels, if you have an opportunity to do Reels. I know that not everyone has Reels. So you have IGTV. And then there's a new feature called Guide. I think most people have Guide, but if not, keep looking out for the Guide. A guide is a way to curate multiple posts in one little post. And so you can either recommend places, or you can recommend other people's posts, or you can recommend some of your posts. And all of these are going to be posts that you have saved. So let's say you want to create a challenge, and it's hard to get people to want to join your email list. So, but you want to give them a taste of what a challenge looks like for you, or maybe you want to give them a step-by-step. Well, that's where you can put it in the guide. You add the post and tell them what that guide is all about. And whenever they click on that guide, it gives them an opportunity to go straight to that post and then comment. So I've gone through a whole lot. Let's see, I do have some more time, and I don't know if I can check the comments to see if anyone has any questions, and I cannot. But so You know, everyone, you may be thinking like, okay, that's a lot of information. I don't know where to start. I don't even have a ideal client. I don't have a niche. Well, luckily for you, I specialize in personal branding. You have an opportunity to join me for free next week. There's a link if you go to the event post. There's a link in one of the posts where you can join me for a free Instagram bio makeover. And it's going to be a hot seat. So grab your hot seat. And it's going to be in a group setting on Zoom where I look at your Instagram bio and we figure out how can we make some tweaks so you can get some quick wins while you're in the process of figuring out who your ideal client is. I love brainstorming all of that. I love everything marketing. I'm a big marketing nerd. And so we'll do those tweaks and say, okay, let's test this out. Because if you want to be a good salesperson, if you want to be a successful entrepreneur, you must be a good marketer. And in order for you to be a good marketer, you have to be a good researcher. And so part of putting, testing out what works with your Instagram bio is part of figuring out, okay, how can I get closer to my ideal client? And what your ideal client is going to be is one, somebody you want to work with, obviously, but someone that you can add value to with your expertise. I'm sure that you haven't gotten to this place in life if you haven't been through some kind of struggle, if you haven't been, some kind of experience, you haven't learned something. And most likely you joined your network marketing business because you liked something about it and you thought you can make it very profitable. Maybe you wanted to leave your 9 to 5, or maybe you just wanted to earn an extra couple $100s, which all of that's hard. Just a couple of $100 can be, earning a couple $100s can be hard. And, leaving your 9 to 5 and making a full-time income can be hard. So whatever it may be, I'm like just lost my train of thought. Whatever it may be, creating a personal brand strategy is what's going to help you get to that level. And so I'm going to wrap this up. I'm going to come back later, and if anyone had any questions, I'll answer your questions. But if you want more free little tips like this, maybe you're like, Vanessa, I don't know who you are. This is the first time I got in your live and you just had a brain fart, so I don't even know if I trust you. That's fine. Fair enough. Follow me out on Instagram. You don't even have to follow me. You can just stalk me for a while, and then later on, if you want to follow me at Vanessa and Miller. But if you're ready to level up and you're tired of getting rejected and people avoiding you and like, oh, you're in network marketing, or you're tired of doing what your upline says and like spamming people and just getting in their DMs or not even asking you to, then you need to at least join me for the free group training. I'll post a link again. If you can't find it, I'm going to make things easy for you. And we're going to do this together. And then we can talk about next steps on working one-on-one or in a group setting and together. Anyways, hope you have a wonderful Thursday. And remember, Mama, it can be easy. It can be fun. You just need to find resources like myself to help you. We can't do it alone. Bye-bye.